Following the update to the Slice the Pie website, I am also updating my tutorial on signing up. So as before, click the link in the description and you will be taken to this page. It is straightforward. It's just a general sign up page. Enter your first and last name, your email address, whether you're a boy or a girl for some reason, and your password, the confirmation of your password, and then enter your date of birth. Click the join button and you will be registered, and therefore you can start making money. Okay, you will be presented now with a selection of items to choose from. Originally it was just music, but now there is also fashion and mobile accessories. In this section, you will also see the pricing assigned to each thing you review. At the moment, the music is standard, as is the fashion, and there are no mobile accessories to review. This will have a bonus from time to time, so there will be an extra dollar and it will be highlighted in orange. So they're the ones where you get the extra money for your review. So you can choose music or fashion. Let's go music and do a quick review. Okay, on this screen it's a pretty simple layout. You click to play the track and it will play all through the music, and on the right hand side is where you write what you think about the music. So all you need to do is write things about the track itself, the quality of the sound, the quality of the production, how good you think the vocals are, what are the problems with the track. It's pretty straightforward, you know, you just say if you like it or not. Then you give it a rating out of 10. So I'm going to play the track and write a review. Okay, so I played 1 minute 30 of this track, which is the minimum amount you need to play in order to review. So it was an awful track. It was really bad, and a lot of them are. A lot are high quality, and there's things that appear in the charts that are up for review for whatever reason. I've said that it's really bad, and I've given it 2 out of 10. This bar here, this orange bar, as you type, it fills up, and there's a minimum word count to hit before you can submit. So you just have to make sure this orange bar goes all the way to the right. Click the submit button. It will be processed. Okay, so that's all processed and done, and I received 7 cents for that review. And it automatically takes you on to the next one, and you just blitz through them. So the 7 cents isn't a high value one, but there are other high value ones, and you can get, you know, sometimes 25 cents. And if you do a few of those, the money goes up really quickly. As you can see at the moment, there's $8.50 in my account. You need to get over $10 to withdraw. You would click make a withdrawal and it'll send it to your PayPal account, and it does appear there. I have received $16 and a few others in the past, so it definitely works. You definitely make money from it, and it takes very little time. You can do it while you're watching TV, just with an earbud in, sit there for an hour, do it on the toilet, you know, whatever. It works. That concludes the tutorial, so please click to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks a lot. Bye.